Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you're having a great weekend so far. We have made it to day number 154 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, where I'm coming from, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank. We're using a service called My Legion Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn some income doing so within 1 year. Pretty good income doing so within 1 year. So, if you guys like, you can go back and watch these previous videos that I put out in the beginning so you can kind of see where we started and see where we're going and see where we're at now. All right. So, we made it to day number 154, guys. Let's go ahead and hop right to this video. Now, if you don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office, you're going to see brand new, fresh leads. All right. Now, what separates the two, whether you get 100 or whether you get 200, is going to depend on how many accounts that you have. All right. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secret, they allow you to have multiple accounts on their platform. So you can go out and you can get as many as accounts as you like, guys. Okay. And just a little bit about myself. Me, I have 8 different accounts that I use. Okay. I use 8 different accounts. I come in every single night around this time and I send out my emails, guys. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out my emails and then I'm off doing other stuff. Okay. So this method is super easy to do. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to do it. Okay. Now, this is what your back office will look like if you guys get started with My Legion Secrets today. The only thing difference between your account and my account is going to be the emails that you send out versus what I send out. Okay. So, I've sent out my emails already tonight. As you can see, I've sent my emails out maybe 20 minutes ago. I'm already getting opens and everything like that. So my emails are going out, guys. All right. Now, this traffic, again, it is business opportunity traffic. Okay. So, what works best with this traffic is going to be business opportunity offers. All right. And what we do as affiliate marketers is we go out and find networks that we can join to use their affiliate, their business opportunity section. Okay. And we use their offers. All right. Now, for this challenge, we are using a place called ClickBank. And we're using the offers in the business opportunity section of ClickBank and the e-business e-marketing to be exact. We're using some of those offers to promote to this traffic. All right. Now I promoted tons of different offers to this traffic, guys. Okay. So I can tell you that there are a lot of different offers that do work with this traffic. Okay. So I'm just now coming out 3 years later doing this, sending out emails, shooting videos just to show you guys that this stuff works. Before I was doing other stuff online. Well, I actually do other stuff online. I was actually, shooting videos for other programs and products that I do promote. But this, I just recently started, shooting videos for this method, guys. So I can tell you that this stuff does work. It does convert. Okay. Now, these emails that do come in, they are cold. This is cold traffic. Okay. So these people do have to get warmed up to your leads. Okay. So, I'm sorry, guys, warmed up to your emails. Okay. So you're not going to be able to come in here and just send out an email and think, you're going to make thousands of dollars next week. Okay. It just doesn't work that way. This is not that type of traffic. Okay. There is traffic, solo ad traffic out there that is like that because it's hot leads, right? But these leads are cold traffic. Okay, this is cold traffic, right? These people don't know what's going on. They don't trust you. Okay, they don't know who you are. Okay, they don't know what to expect from you. Okay, so it's our job as affiliate marketers is to come in and pick the right emails to send out and pick the right offers to promote to this traffic. All right. Now, there's going to be 2 ways that you can make money, 2 popular ways that you can make money with My Legion Secret. Number one is to promote My Legion Secret itself. Okay. You can literally create an email for this traffic, use your affiliate link right here on the home page and create an email, put this link in your email, and then boom, click send, and your emails will go out. Also, they have some pre-populated emails right here. If you go to affiliates, go to the promo tools tab, and then come down here, and there's going to be some free email swipes for you and you can pretty much use these free email swipes. Okay. These are called email swipes, guys. These are copy and paste emails. Okay. So you can literally copy this over to the mailing system, guys, and to the mailing part of this where you send your emails out. And then this email will go out to your prospect along with your link. Okay. So let me show you that in real time. So what you would do if you want to just promote My Legion Secret, which you can do so, you would just come here, click on import affiliate email, and come down here, click on select all so you can load up your emails. Okay. And then you want to come down here to the subject line and the body of text. So as you can see, our subject line is right here. It's ready to go. And then also our body of text transferred over. Click on perfect timing. And now this email is ready to go out. And then our link is clickable right here. So our prospect, when this email goes out, our prospect is going to be able to click on this link. It's going to take them to your My Legion secret landing page. And then they're going to sign up and you will earn a commission from My Legion secrets. Okay. That is one way to earn income with the My Legion secret system. Okay. The other way is by using a affiliate network such as ClickBank. They have Warrior Plus, which is another popular network, JV Zoo, and also a CPA network called Max Bounty, okay, that I use personally. And then I also use other networks such as Blue Media Ventures, and there's other networks. I'm not going to get into all of them, but the ones that I use personally is going to be Max Bounty. You can go to maxbounty.com and sign up there. And then also, Blue Media Ventures does have a cool little offer there that converts really good. Okay. So those offers, guys, will be the ones that do work. Now, for the sake of this video, I've used ClickBank, and the reason why is because the offers on ClickBank, people love these people on this My Legion secret list. These people like ClickBank offers. Okay, something about these ClickBank offers that they love, and I'm going to keep promoting them until they stop loving them. Okay, so the ClickBank offers do work the best, in my opinion, with this traffic. All right, so that's why I'm promoting ClickBank for this video series because before this video series, I've been using ClickBank for like the last couple of years, and it's worked wonders. Okay, I've been making money with ClickBank. Okay, so I just wanted to come in and show you. I created a brand new ClickBank account. Okay, just for you guys, just for this series, just to show you from scratch. Okay, by promoting the offer starting from day one, promoting an offer that I have not promoted in a while. Okay, so this what this video series is all about is about picking an offer on ClickBank and sending it out every single day for a year. Okay, and see what happens. Okay, and see what type of money we can make. So that's the other way, guys. That's the two popular ways to make money. There's going to be three ways to send out an email. Okay. Now, the first way is going to be you're going to have to write an email out. Okay. And if you're good at writing emails and coming up with good content, find the offer that you want to promote, get your affiliate link from that offer, and insert it in the email that you created. Okay, that's one way. Okay, the second way is to use some kind of email AI service or some place like Chat GPT. Okay, you can go to Chat GPT, ask it to create some high converting emails for whatever program that you're promoting. Okay. And then it'll create, long emails, short emails, whatever you want. You just got to tell it what you want to do. So that's the second way is AI. Okay. The third way is going to be using the free email swipes that are from the vendor. Okay. From the offer. Right. Which is on ClickBank. If you go to the e-business e-marketing section, those offers in there have free pre-written emails that all you have to do is go copy and paste them over to the system. It's super easy to do. And I would recommend if you're getting started with this method, that's where you would start first. Okay. I wouldn't start with AI first. I would start with the proven emails that actually work. Okay. That's where you want to go first. Okay. Those emails that those vendors are offering us, they work, they have them because they work. Okay. They have them for a reason because they actually convert into sales. Okay. So I would start there first. Okay. That's what I did. That's what many of others did. You don't have to do it, but and if you want to do it and earn money and I'm telling you that it does work. Okay. So you can follow it or not. It's totally up to you. But I would start with the emails from the vendor first. And then after you send those out and get comfortable with them and then start making money with those, then you can kind of repurpose those same emails. Okay. You can, make a different type of variation of those emails and keep sending those same emails out. Okay. Because they work. All right. So your back office, like I said, will look exactly like this. Only thing different is going to be the emails that you send out. So say for instance, there's if you pick out one of the offers from one of the emails from the offers, they're going to look something like this. Okay. It's going to have a subject line right here. And then you're going to have your text right here. And then here's the clickable link. This link is going to take you to your affiliate page. Now that affiliate page is going to do all the work for you. Okay. All we have to do as affiliate marketers is we need to get our prospects to that affiliate page. Okay. Once we get them there, they will review it and then decide if they want to start working. Okay. The offer that we are working, the offer that we are promoting, it allows our prospect to sign up for a free trial. Okay. Once they sign up for a free trial, they get billed in 3 days. Once they start working and start making money, they end up staying with the program and then they'll get billed again on the next month. And then they get billed each and every month to keep their accounts open so they can continue working. Okay. And that's the whole idea to this of why we're promoting ClickBank offers, because some of those offers have a rebill of every month someone is getting billed for the program. And the whole idea is to get hundreds, thousands of people, obviously, signing up for our offer and getting billed every single month. Okay. If you do that, you're going to be having, crazy days and 40, 50, 60, 80, 100, $150 days. Okay. So that's the whole point of doing this method, guys. All right. And it's definitely possible. All right. So I just wanted to share that with you guys and show you guys that this stuff does work. All right. And if you want to get started, I did leave a link below this video. Okay. So we sent out some emails last night. Okay. Me personally, I like to come in every night and send out my emails around this time, like I told you before. Or you can go early in the morning and do it. Okay. Me personally, I like doing it at night. Okay. So let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank. Like I said, this is the network that we're using. ClickBank is free to get started. Doesn't cost you a dime. Okay. So you can come here, create your account, and you can use some of these free offers to send out to this traffic. Okay. Now, right now, what I'm showing you is a past 30 days on what it looks like promoting these offers on ClickBank. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like. Okay. So if you come down here, today is the 27th. If you come down here, these are the sales from the last 30 days on what we've been doing. Okay, guys. As you can see, this program, this method does work because I'm showing you right here. These are the sales that are coming in. Okay. Every single day, every single week. Okay. We got sales coming in. All right. Now, it may not seem like a lot right now, but we're only in month number 5. And, it's just going to keep building and building and building. Okay, guys. And the one thing I love about ClickBank as well is that they pay every week. They pay every Friday. I did get paid yesterday on direct deposit. So everything that you do during the week, you're going to get paid out on Friday. And it's, a good feeling to be able to have that money coming in every single Friday coming to your account. Okay. So just wanted to show you the last 30 days. This is kind of the algorithm for month number 5. Okay. I'm going to show you every single day the algorithm for whatever months that I'm in. Okay. Whether we're on month 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way up to the end of the challenge. I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like. Okay. With the algorithm. Okay. So right here, as you can see, it's been pretty consistent every day or every other day. So we got a sale here. We missed a sale here. We got one here. We went 2 days without a sale. And then we got sales back to back. Okay. So the algorithm looks like every other day or every 2 days. Okay. Now, right here, there we did get a third day that we went without a sale, but then we came back on the 4th day and got a sale. Didn't get one yesterday, but then we got one today. Okay. So it's kind of hit and miss, but this is kind of pretty much the algorithm. as of right now, month 5. So this is what you could expect if you were to do this as well. Okay, you're going to earn income, obviously, but it's not going to be every day right off the bat. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys how that looks and how that works. So these are the sales guys. As you can see, it does work. This is not some get rich quick scheme or anything like that. But you will make money, guys. It's just you have to come in every day and you have to send out emails and you do have to stay consistent doing this, guys. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys the results and what it would look like for you. Okay. Or you could have better results. Okay. Or you can even have worse results. It just depends on your work ethic. Okay. Me, I come in every single day and send out my emails. I don't miss days and I do it every single day, guys. Okay. And also too, this is has not been the only offer that I promote. Okay, I just started promoting this offer just for this series, but I do got other offers that I do like to promote and stuff like that. So I just wanted to show that with you guys. I did send out my emails for tonight. Every 24 hours, you can come in and send out your emails. That way you can be able to reach people every single day. I did leave a link below this video for you guys. So if you come down here to the More tab and then just click on this right here where it says MLGS True Freedom. Click on that, guys. It's going to take you to the My Legion Secret landing page. Okay. So pretty much what you would do, you just come down here, just check out all these testimonials. Look at this. These are people that are making money with the program. Okay. There's tons of different people that are making money with the program. So I'm not the only one making money. Okay, there's a lot of other people making money. Promoting with ClickBank, My Legion, Secret, whatever. Okay, people are making money with this thing. So you'll pretty much come here, guys. Click join now. Okay. As you can see, there is a one-time charge of $60 to get started. $30 a month to keep the service. I mean, it's a no-brainer. Okay, I've been doing this for a few years, guys. Take my word for it. The stuff does work. You won't be, disappointed that you got started today. Get started today, guys. Click on the link, get started. Once you do sign up under my link, let me know. Okay, I'm going to send you. I got some personal emails that I use that not a lot of other people are using. That does work for me to get started quicker and how I got started quicker and start making money faster. So send me a message, comment below, let me know, and I'll send those emails to you. Okay. All I would need is just your email and I'll send that to you. So just wanted to show you guys what that looks like and how you can get started today. So, but that's it, guys. I just wanted to, I don't want to take too much more of your time. Just wanted to show you how to send out an email, which I did. And then I wanted to show you the results from the past 30 days and what it looks like and show you the algorithm and how we're making money with this system, with this method. All right. So I'm going to come back here tomorrow. I'll see you guys back on Sunday at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.